Why you need a trust, even if you aren't rich. When you hear the words trust fund, do you think of images of mansions and yachts? A trust fund or trust is actually a great estate planning tool for many people with a wide range of incomes and assets who want to accomplish a specific purpose with their money. Simply put, a trust is just a vehicle used to transfer assets. Trusts are especially useful for parents of minor children, as well as those who wish to spare their beneficiaries the hassle of going to court in the event of their incapacity or death. And why would you want to keep your family out of court, also known as avoiding probate? Number one, to have a trust, make a seamless transition. The court process can take longer than is necessary and keep your family from getting access to your assets as quickly as they want them or need them. A trust allows for an individual known as a successor trustee to be able to access your assets without any delay. Reason number two, keep things private. Perhaps you like to keep private the details of the assets that you are leaving your heirs. When you leave assets to your beneficiaries through a will, then they must be distributed through the probate process. In effect, what you have done is made all of your assets and beneficiaries' information public for allowing anyone to discover what you had and who will be receiving it. A trust is private and provides for a distribution of your assets to your loved ones without allowing the general public to know anything. Reason number three, if you have a minor child. Minor children are unable to inherit directly. Without a trust to leave your assets to, your minor children would be forced to seek court intervention to receive the inheritance. A trust allows for you to be able to provide for your minor child without needing court approval. Reason number four, ensure the inheritance is received by your loved ones. Should your loved ones receive the inheritance outright, the assets will not be protected. A trust can help protect assets you leave for them from creditors, judgments, divorce, or even their poor money management habits. Reason number five, plan for yourself. You can even establish a trust for yourself in case you become incapacitated and cannot manage your own finances at some future time. The trust assets are managed by a successor trustee, which avoids the need for a court-appointed conservator if you become incapacitated. Reason number six, you have a blended family. Trusts are wonderful tools for those who are members of a blended family. If you are remarried and have children from a previous marriage, you can provide for your current spouse while ensuring assets to your children once the surviving spouse passes. Reason number seven, reduce the cost of administration. Without trust planning, you will likely have to go through the probate process. In addition to the time delays and court costs associated, the average cost of estate administration is roughly 5% of the gross estate. With a trust, you can avoid some of the costs associated with probate. Choosing and creating a trust can be complex. The guidance of an attorney with estate planning knowledge is highly recommended. The best way for you to determine whether or not a estate plan should include a trust is to meet with one of our estate planning and elder law attorneys to discuss your planning goals and needs. This will empower you to feel 100% confident that you have the right combination of planning solutions in place for your family's unique circumstance. If you are interested in speaking with one of our estate planning and elder law attorneys, please click here or call us at 412-391-1014 to schedule an appointment. Schedule your appointment today to get started. For more information about trust, join us for our monthly webinar where we discuss trusts in more depth.